So we are seeing about the transformation tools, right? So in transformation tool, we saw align and crop tool. The next tools we are going to see now. So transformation tools, first tool is alignment tool. Alignment is aligning or arranging the layers of the other objects. Helps in placement of objects in the chosen position. Crop tool, the crop tool erases the chosen parts of an image. To use the crop tool, you can select it from the toolbox, or you may also click on the toolbox and then press the button Shift plus C, okay, shortcut key. So these two things we saw it in the last video. Now the next one is about the moving tool. What is meant by move tool? The move tool generally shifts or moves layers and selections. To use the to use the move tool, you can select it from the toolbox. You can also just click on the toolbox and then press yeah. So the move tool, it generally shifts or moves the layers and the selection part. To use the move tool, you can select it from the toolbox, or you can also just click on the toolbox and then press M. Next tool is flip tool. The flip tool is used to turn an image horizontally or vertically. Okay. So flip tool is used to turn an image horizontally or vertically. To use the flip tool, you can select it from the toolbox. You can also click on the toolbox and then press the shortcut key Shift plus E. Okay, Shift plus F. Sorry, Shift plus F. This is about the flip tool. So what is a flip tool? The flip tool is used to turn an image horizontally or vertically. To use the flip tool, you can select it from the toolbox. You can also click on the toolbox and then press the key Shift plus F. So these two tools we saw on our move tool and the flip tool. The next tool we are going to see is rotate tool. What is meant by rotate tool? The rotate tool rotates the selected portion of the image. It helps to spin an image in different directions. The related options enable various transformed position image. We saw, right? So it helps to spin an image in different directions. The related options enable various transformed positions like a slanting position. Any position we can make the change in the image. To use the rotate tool, you can select it from the toolbox. You may also click on the toolbox and then press Shift plus R. So once again and repeat the rotate tool. So the rotate tool rotates the selected portion of the image. It helps to spin an image in different directions. The related options enable various transformed positioned images. Okay. To use the rotate tool, you can select it from the toolbox. You may also click on the toolbox and then press Shift plus R. Please be cautious with the shortcut keys. I may ask, what is the shortcut key for rotate? What is the key to be pressed? Shift plus R or Control plus R, right? So you want to be clear with the shortcut keys used for all the tools. Yes? So for clone tool, what is the key to be pressed? Do you all remember that? Check it in your book. I think everyone forgets. The next one, scale tool. What is meant by scale tool? The scale tool is used to adjust the size of the layers, path and selected portions of an image. Okay, scale tool is to adjust the size, height and width of the image or a layer or a path. It expands or scales down the size of an image. To use the scale tool, you can select it from the toolbox, or you may also click on the toolbox and then press Shift plus T. Okay, the scale tool is used to adjust the size of layers, path and selected portions of an image. It expands or scales down the size of an image. To use the scale tool, you can select it from the toolbox. You may also click on the toolbox and then press Shift plus T. Clear, children? That is about the scale tool. So we saw rotate and scale now. The next one we are going to see is shear tool. What is meant by shear tool? An image gets moved or shifted when the horizontal and vertical coordinates of the image are altered. To use the shear tool, you can select it from the toolbox. You may also click on the toolbox and then press Shift plus. So when the image gets moved or shifted horizontal and vertical coordinates, if we alter also, it will be getting moved, right? So to move the image, we can shift the horizontal and vertical coordinates of the image also. We can alter it. To use the shear tool, you can select it from the toolbox, or you may click on the toolbox and then press shift plus yes. The last one is perspective tool. Perspective tool, it helps the user change the view of an image or also modifies the view of the layer, selection or path. So the perspective tool is used to change the view of an image. So from one view to other view, it changes and modifies the view of the layer. To use the perspective tool, we can select it from the toolbox. You may also click the toolbox and then press shift press C. So to change the view from one point of view, it may be differing, right? You may also see some scenery. From one point it may look like something, and from other point it may look like something. So it helps the user to change the view of an image or also modifies the view of the layer. Okay. Yes, clear children? So these are all the transformation tools. Once again I am saying the transformation tools available are align tool, move tool, scale, shear, perspective, then rotate, flip and crop. Okay. So the transformation tools available are align, crop, rotate, move, flip, scale, perspective and shear tools. Okay. Clear children? Do you all understood the transformation tools? Yes. We can go to the next concept. Yes children? Okay. So you want to say all the 8 tools and the shortcut keys for it and for what it is being used. Okay. Clear with this? We can go to the next part of our tools. Okay, with this our transformation tools over. The next one is other tools. Okay, before that 4.2 activity. Identify the transform option that has been applied to the given picture. Refer to the help box below. Okay, so identify this. What are all the objects used for that? Yes. Flip tool, scale tool, rotate tool and perspective tool. Yes? Do you all identified it? I'll say it now itself. You can write it. Otherwise, while writing the book exercise also, you can write it. See here how it is like. It is not in a horizontal way, right? It is not, it is rotated, right? It is somewhat slightly rotated. So here's rotate tool is used in this picture. In this picture, scale tool is used because the width is larger than the other pictures. So in the second picture, rotate tool is used. In this third picture, perspective tool is used. I already said perspective tool, the coordinates are being modified, right? So here in the topmost, the coordinates are being modified. So here the tool used is perspective tool, and here the tool used is flip tool. See the difference between these two? This is the original picture because scaling tool is used. Here just a flipping, that is mirror image of a original image, that is called as flip tool. So in here this rotate tool and this scale tool, here perspective tool and here rotate tool. Let us see. Yes. Okay. We'll see itself. We'll have opened the animal itself. Yes. Bengal tiger. This will close. So same Bengal tiger is here, right? You can select this. The same tiger. Yes. See, flipping an image. Wait, we'll select the image first. See, this is called as flipping. Got it? So from this side, it went this side. This is called as flipping an image. undo flip. Can you see this? See? Redo flip. Yes. Yes. Okay. Do you identify the difference between flip? This is the original image. If I do flip, it is just the mirror image, right? This same part over there. Mirror, like a flipping. Yes. So this is called as flipping. Okay. After flipping, we can have our perspective tool, right? So here in this perspective tool, see, they use like this. Transform. See, they have a perspective tool, how it looks. So this is called as perspective tool. Got it? So in this activity think and think, I am showing you the perspective tool, flip tool. The next one is, we'll see. Rotate tool, yes. So rotate tool, we'll see how rotate tool is being used. Rotate, see. Yes, it is being rotated. Yes, so this is called as the rotate tool. And then scale tool, you know, as usual, right? Scale tool is used to scale this. Yes, images, right? So scale tool is reducing the size of the image. Yes, you are clear with this? Perspective tool also I have worked out and shown you. Scale tool also we worked a lot. Perspective tool, rotate tool also we worked, and also flip tool. Yes, these 4 tools which is given here with the same picture. Yes, with the same picture, and I worked and shown you how it looks like. Are you all clear with this transformation tools? Yes, children? I hope you are all clear with the transformation tools. Isn't it? Yes? Okay, wait a second. We'll have a here also, right? So after selecting in the transformation tools, we saw move, you know, cropping also we know, rotate, scale, shear. What is meant by shear? You'll be, see, this is called as shear. Okay, children. So this is called as shearing. That is transformation of the tool. So the shear tool is used to, the shear tool is used to shear the layer. Okay, to shear the layer. So any other doubts in the transformation tools? We saw all the transformation tools, I think. Alignment from one place to another, how to align it in a layer. Using the small flowers, I shown you how to align it. Yes, in the last video. Moving tool also we know very well. Cropping tool to crop a particular image. Rotate tool to rotate the image. Scaling tool is to resize. Shear tool I shown you. Perspective tool also we saw, and flip tool also we saw. Yes, any other doubt in this transformation tools? Any other doubt, children, in this transformation tools? Okay, so I'll quickly recap what are all the things we saw today. Yes, so we saw in the introduction of the transformation tool before this lesson 4, we saw about the selection tool, paint tool. On one tool we are seeing in lesson by lesson, right? So we saw selection tool and paint tool before itself. Here we are going to see only the transformation tool. So the transformation tool is the transformation, the process of modifying, aligning, resizing, repositioning, altering the image. Yes, these are all called as the transformation. So we are having 8 transformation tools: perspective tool, flip tool, rotate tool, move tool, align, yes, scale, shear, and crop tool. Yes, so these 8 tools we saw in this. The next other tools other than this transformation tool, selection tool and rotate tool, we'll be seeing it in the next class. Okay, thank you, children. Please read the book at least once weekends, take the computer book and see what are all the things we teach or we taught. Okay, thank you.